Hot Wheelz is a solar vehicle performance team that is building, manufacturing, and testing a vehicle to attend the Formula Sun Grand Prix. Everyone is welcome at Hot Wheelz. We kind of spun out of the Women in Engineering program here, but we do accept every major gender identifier.
I've been on the team for 5 years, and I joined the team because I wanted to find a supportive group who can help support me both academically and professionally.
When I saw the opportunity to build a solar car, I kind of jumped on it.
It was a great experience. I was able to jump in right away my first year actually working on this car.
We ignite minds, we create new ideas. Being on the team, I mean, I've only grown and met amazing people, and it's been an incredible 5 years since I've been here.
I think the biggest thing is really building a sense of community where it's okay to fail because we can learn something from it. As a result of that, our students leave, they're very confident, they're able to go out and make a difference in the world.
We teach electrical, it's the soldering, it's PCBs. On the mechanical side, we have machining, welding, but also we teach networking, we teach interpersonal skills. And so when you walk out into industry, they see that you've had that experience and you can be a well-rounded engineer, being both personable and skilled.
I walk into the team room every day and I see a group of people that is ready to learn, ready to work,
And it's literally incredible to see getting all these things done, and then we get a beautiful product at the end, which is a whole car.
We're excited to get to Imagine because this will be our first car in a little over 5 years. So we're excited to show everybody what we've been working on and see it all come together.
Basically, we don't have a ton of time, and the main goal of our competition is to get the most amount of laps.
So today we're Imagine RIT. We put all the solar panels on this week, which took a total of about 14 hours to put on. We did all the sponsorships on the labels and all the logos. Anybody from older people to little kids come up and the faces that they're making, it's incredible to see. We are definitely inspiring the future generation of engineers.